Making a Coney Dog, Detroit Style, by Will the Poet Langford. Naturally, you'll use all beef hot dogs. Kogel brand, so perfectly pink and plump. Fresh is a must, but any bun will do to swaddle this Detroit delicacy. Layer on beanless chili, a service to us all, with bumpy bits of spiced beef. Top with yellow onions, ghost white insides, granules strewn like salt on an icy walk. Add a single stripe of yellow mustard for the purists, ketchup for the tourists. Nests in a hinged white clamshell container for the tasty takeout jewel inside. Of course, you'll need a strong-stomached people. Find them waiting tables, schooling children.